Hello, orchestra. Welcome back. I'm very happy to be back here, and I certainly hope you had a wonderful, restful, and unstressful Thanksgiving break. And we are on our final stretch of the semester. We have 2 more weeks to go. I can hardly believe it that we have gotten this far. But you have worked very hard throughout the semester. I'm very proud of each one of you. And I just wanted to take this time to give you some very important information. This video is for 6th grade orchestra, middle and high school orchestra. And so as you have heard in my class, in the classroom, we are not going to have an audience in-person concert like we have done in the past. This year, we're going to have a pre-recorded concert which will air on the social media, on South Lake social medias, and the site of Fine Arts in YouTube. Is going to air sometime during the Christmas break. The choir already did their recordings and their filming, and now is our turn, orchestra. And because of I had to quarantine myself a few weeks ago, which, by the way, we feel much better. We're very happy to be back here, but we had to quarantine ourselves, and that kind of delayed our process. But during that time that I was in quarantine, I took made the effort to make it simpler for you, especially for those students who do not have the Smart Music app. You did not subscribe, or you're not coming back to orchestra next semester. So this is more high school, that you have only enrolled for 1 semester. Therefore, I'm not going to make you purchase that application for only a few weeks. However, what I did was I did a screenshot of the Smart Music app of each one of the musical pieces that we are going to be performing, and I placed them on YouTube. But before we go even any further, I want to impress upon you it's the specific musical selections that you are expected to practice during this time, okay? Especially those students who are quarantining themselves. We need you to spend some time at home. I'm not saying to spend hours and hours. I'm talking about at least 25 to half hour every single day with your instrument and the single pieces. But just to give you a little orientation, 6th grade and middle school orchestra, you will be performing together 10 to the Power, Celebration March, and Invasion of the Christmas Crabs. Those are the 3 pieces that 6th and middle school orchestra will be performing. Then middle school and high school orchestra, you will be performing together Tidings of Comfort and Joy. Tidings of Comfort and Joy. And then high school orchestra, you're going to have La Rejussance, Christmas in Sarajevo, Redlands Overture, and Baroque Fanfare. Those 4 pieces are going to be your selections for the Christmas concert. Yes, we eliminated the We Three Kings. Yes, what a relief, Mr. Baz. Yes, that was a very difficult piece, and it requires so many instruments together, so we simply did not have the schedule for that kind of piece, so I decided to eliminate it from this program. However, keep it, do not trash that piece, because you may do it next year or anytime in the future. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through the different steps that you need to follow in order to access the orchestra tutorial. So for that, I'm going to ask you to go to www.youtube.com to find YouTube online, and then what you're going to do on the search bar, which is right here, you all can see the cursor. You're going to enter South Lake Christian Fine Arts Department, South Lake Christian Fine Arts Department. So we're going to hit there, hit return, and you're going to scroll down just a little bit until you find this logo. This logo is the Fine Arts, the South Lake Fine Arts logo. So if you enter somewhere else, you're not going to enter to our channel. So you want to find our site, South Lake Christian Fine Arts Department. Just click there. And then at the top menu, you will see a playlist called Orchestra Tutorials. So you just hit Orchestra Tutorials. But you will find also, if you do the little arrow at the extremes, the before and after, okay, that you have all the videos, all the different videos that are available. If not, you just hit the Orchestra Tutorials and you will find them as a list. Now, they are classified by instrument and the title. So I already gave you the different musical selections that you are going to be performing. So you just look for your instrument and then the title. Your instrument and the title. You see La Renaissance. You see, We Three King is still here. Okay, I'm going to skip all that. But then Christmas in Sarajevo. You see the cello part, violin 2, violin 1, trumpet 2, trumpet 2. Oh, it was duplicated. Then trumpet 1 and so forth. And so you see La Renaissance here, cello, violin 2, violin 1, trumpet 2, trumpet 1, alto sax, bass, clarinet, flute, and then all the way you will see Christmas in Sarajevo, you will see Redlands Overture, you're going to see Tidings of Comfort and Joy. Also, you will find 10 to the Power, 6th grade, 6th and middle school, 10 to the Power. We got here Celebration March. Now remember, whenever you see oboe, we don't have oboe in the orchestra, so that's a violin part. The oboe will play either the violins will play either the oboe or the flute part. Okay? The clarinet, the alto sax, percussion, Celebration March, and so on and so forth. And so that's pretty much how you find it. Then let's say that you decide to go over one of those videos. You click on any of those videos, and I want to show you exactly how this works. Okay, just exactly. This is a screenshot, a video screenshot of the Smart Music app. All right. So basically, you're gonna hear on YouTube, and I have the percussion part of the Invasion of the Christmas Crabs. So this is how it's supposed to sound. Look. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the only flip side and the only part that you are in a little disadvantage is that you cannot deal with the tempo changes. But hey, you're doing the tutorial, and if you follow this through, you can practice from the screen directly, following the blue line. And it's very important that when you go back, notice that I have provided 2 bars as a count of, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. All right? So you will find the same thing for every single instrument. Now you will find for the trumpet, say, the Invasion of the Christmas Crabs. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, measure 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 11, 2, 3, 4, 12, 2, 3, 4. All right? Now notice that every single instrument I highlighted the sound of your instrument so you could play along with it and in case you get lost. Already? So I think and I trust that this would be a very useful tool for all of you to practice, but you need to take the time to practice. Like I said before, 25 to 30 minutes every day. At this stage in your life, you need to practice every single day, and now you have the tools, and even if you are quarantined at home, you can still practice with this YouTube channel. So again, going again to how to find the tutorial, I am going to repeat it for you. You just simply go to youtube.com. On the search bar, you enter South Lake Christian Fine Arts Department, and then hit return or enter, and then look for the logo, South Lake Christian Fine Arts Department. Bingo, you click there. And then click where it says Orchestra Tutorial. Notice that I placed it at the top of the list so you could find it easier. And so from there, you look for your instrument and the musical selection. Now, if the musical selection, you're not playing this selection, then you keep scrolling until you find it, okay? So that should be a very easy solution. So everybody, please, if you have any questions, any concerns, any comments, anything that I can assist you remotely, do not hesitate to text me or to email me. My information is right now on the screen, so feel free to contact me. But you need to do your part, and I'm expecting you to do so and be ready for the concert. Let me talk to you about attire, what to wear for the concert. If you're in 6th grade, the dress uniform is enough. Now, middle school and high school, all black. And I will tell you, it's going to be either Thursday, December 10th, or Friday, December 11. It's going to be one of those 2 days, and I will please stay tuned to this channel, to your emails. Check your emails, because I'm going to update you with more specifics. But you do need your instruments, you do need your music. 6th grade dress uniform, middle and upper school all black for the concert. And so we're going to record it and we're going to film it right here in the school's facilities. So that's another given that we're going to do. All right? So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week. And this is the only communication I'm going to have with you while you're in quarantine, because I believe I have given you all the tools that you need for you to work throughout this week from Monday through Friday. God bless you. I'm looking forward to seeing you all next week, and have a good one.